Have you ever wondered about the power of celestial events and their potential effects on our planet? There's a cosmic spectacle known as a gamma-ray burst, or GRB, that is one of the most energetic occurrences in the universe. When a massive star collapses into a black hole or a neutron star, it releases a jet of high-energy photons that can travel across billions of light years. Rare as they are, these gamma-ray bursts can still be detected by our terrestrial telescopes, providing us with a glimpse into the immense power of the universe. In the autumn of 2022, astronomers were privy to the brightest GRB ever recorded. This light show originated from a supernova explosion nearly 2 billion light-years away. The power of this GRB was so immense that it caused a measurable change in the number of ionized particles in Earth's upper atmosphere, including the molecules that make up our ozone layer, our shield against harmful solar radiation. Ozone, concentrated in a thin layer of the stratosphere, is our planet's defense against the sun's ultraviolet radiation, which can cause a host of problems, from sunburn to skin cancer, and even damage crops. The importance of this protective layer was underscored by the ozone hole over Antarctica, caused by human-made chemicals. In a new study published in the journal Nature Communications, researchers used satellite data to study the effects of the GRB on Earth's ionosphere, a region that sits above the stratosphere. A sharp increase in the electric field at the top of the ionosphere was detected, and this change was directly linked to the GRB signal. The gamma rays from the GRB ionized ozone and nitrogen molecules in the upper atmosphere, temporarily inhibiting their ability to absorb UV radiation. This brief period of increased exposure to harmful solar rays was fortunately short-lived, with the ozone layer quickly repairing itself. However, while this GRB didn't pose a threat, a closer one could be catastrophic. According to Dr. Pietro Ubertini, an astronomer involved in the study, a GRB 1,000,000 times more powerful could ionize enough ozone to weaken Earth's protective barrier for days or months. The potential consequences of such an event are devastating. Ultraviolet radiation could damage DNA, cells, and entire ecosystems. Simulations have suggested that a GRB occurring within our own Milky Way could obliterate the stratospheric ozone layer for years, potentially leading to widespread extinction. These findings underscore the potential impact of cosmic phenomena on Earth's atmosphere. They also emphasize the importance of the ozone layer and the need to protect it from human-caused damage. This discovery, as intriguing as it is daunting, offers new insights into the universe's most powerful events and their potential effects on our planet. It serves as a stark reminder that even as we marvel at the beauty and wonder of the cosmos, we must also be aware of its potential dangers. And remember, if you found this information intriguing, feel free to give a thumbs up and subscribe for more astronomy content. Until next time, keep looking up and wondering about the mysteries of the universe.